Let's do a bridge with the Pilates ring. Start by lying down, placing the grooves of the ring right inside your knees with your feet basically lined up as much with your hips as you can. Shoulder blades are back and down. And from here, tuck your tailbone under, feeling each piece of your spine come up off of the floor. And now bring yourself up. So even though you're up on your shoulders, you should still be in neutral spine, which from this position means my shoulders are back and down, rib cage is in, and my pubic bone is aiming straight through my knees. Now from here, press the knees in and out, utilizing your inner thighs without changing any of this alignment. One more. And now hold the Pilates ring from your shoulders. Start to set your spine down one piece at a time, trying to get your waistline before your tailbone. Then tailbone goes down and press your pubic bone down into the floor, which brings your natural arch, keeping the rib cage inward. Let's go back up again. Tuck under, feel each vertebra go up, up, up. And now press in approximately 5 times. Keeping the alignment from your shoulders to your knees. One more time. And now from the shoulders, start to set your spine down one piece at a time. Feel each vertebra follow the next. Waist touches first before the tailbone does, and then press the tailbone all the way down. And that is the bridge using the Pilates ring.